නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතු සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතු සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතු සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස Did you do homework? Oh, very good. Last week, last lesson I didn't see. Okay. Now the first question. Buddho savakehi viharang gacchati. This is a which kind of sentence? Which kind of sentence? Singular or plural? Singular. How we change to plural? Buddha savakehi vihare gachanti. Lesson 5, the 11th of April 2014. Okay. Now can I ask one by one? Can, no? Okay. Yes. No, this is a sentence. Buddho savakehi viharang gacchan. This is a normal sentence. Oh, yeah, but this one no need to change to singular. No need singular because the many Buddhas follow go to the vihar not only with the one savaka, no, not the with one disciple. Many disciples follow, no, because yeah, no need change singular with plural, huh? Why? Change. Oh. Wonderful. Okay. Okay, now next one. I don't. Okay. Naro potena deepang dhavati. This is which kind of sentence? Singular. Okay, please translate one of the Bhante. Translate to the change to the plural. I asked one of the Bhante first. Not. Nara Pottehi Deepe Dhavanti. Oh, good. Okay, next one. Okay, sorry. Kassako Sarena Singalang Vijati. Kassako Sarena Sigalang vijjati. Which kind of sentence? Singular, plural? Okay. One of the upasaka. Translate to, change to the plural. Kasaka. Oh, Sarebi. Sigale. Good. Vijjanti. Good. Next one. Brahmana matulena pabbatang aru hanti. Which kind of sentence? Plural. Plural. How we find the what singular plural? How we understand? According to the subject and verb. Between sometimes singular, sometimes plural is not important. We have to pay attention to what is the subject, what is the verb. According to the subject and verb, we can say this is a singular sentence, this is a plural sentence. Now, Brahmana matulena pabbatang aruhanti. This is singular. This side, one of the upasika. Please translate, change to the plural, the singular. Upasika. Upasika. Okay. Okay. One upasika, one of the upasika. Okay, any of upasika? All the upasika, no? What is the meaning of upasika? What is the meaning of upasaka? What is the meaning? Aru Brahmano Matulehi Pabbate Aruhati. Okay. Okay, now what is the meaning upasaka upasika? Layman, laywoman. Upa asa. These are two words. Upa asa. Upa meaning perceive. No? Yeah. Prefix. The upa meaning. Asa. Asa meaning upavasanti. Who is living nearly with the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Who is close to the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Those are people we call upasaka and upasika. Now you are living. Now you are living under the Buddha, under the Dhamma, under the Sangha. No? You are living according to the Lord Buddha's teaching. Because of the reason we call upasaka. Upasaka, this is a layman. Upasika, laywoman. Understand? Upavasanti ettati upasako. This is the sentence, the Pali sentence. Upavasanti ettati upasako. Who is living close to the Buddha. Buddha and Dhamma and Sangha. We call upasaka. It's good meaning, no? But you have to follow this meaning. Always you have to see the quality of the Buddha. You have to see quality of the Dhamma, quality of the Sangha by your mind. After you practice. This meaning the Lord Buddha mentioned, Yo Dhammam Passati, Somang Passati. Who is seeing the Dhamma, he can see the Buddha. This time Lord Buddha already passed away, but still have the Lord Buddha's teaching. We have to practice. After practice, we can see the real Buddha. Who is the Buddha? Understand? Now this is upasaka meaning. The very good meaning, no? Okay. Any question? Can. This one I want to know you understand or not our Pali meaning. Then this is my question. Not important this one, this word. I want to know you are understanding. Okay, next one. Putta padehi sunakang paharanti. One of the upasaka this side, okay? Okay, okay. Putta upasaka. Suna sunake. Paharati. Good. Next one. Vanijo rathena gamang agachati. This one singular plural? Singular. Okay. Last line. Last line. One of the. Okay. Agachanti. Good. Next one. Kumara hatte bi patte aharanti. Which kind of sentence? Okay. Okay, this side. One of the upasaka. Okay, one of the upasaka. Try. They have 4 upasaka. No, 5 upasaka have. Okay. Kumaro hattena pattang aharati. Good. Next one. Pandito bhupalena buddhang vandati. Pandito bhupalena buddhang vandati. Singular, plural? Singular. One of the upasika. Good. Pandita bhupalehi buddhe vandanti. Good. Now they understand. I no need to check other sentence also. Next one. Lekha ka mittena odanang bunjanti. Singular, plural? Plural. Okay, one of the upasaka this side. Upasaka. One of the upasaka from this side. Lekako mittebi odane. Okay. Bunjati. Odanam bunjati is okay. Eh? Good. Okay, next one. Varaha padehi. I cannot see. Come here. Varaha padehi avate khananti. Okay, which is singular, plural? Plural. Okay, please change to the singular one of the upasika. Upasika, try. Okay, upasika, try. Word by word. Now, varaha, plural. Singular? Varaho. Padehi. Padena. Avate. Avatang. Khananti. Khanati. Good. Try. Next one. Yachako puttehi bhattang yachati. Okay, from that's a one of upasika. The last line. Upasika, try. Okay. Try. Yachaka puttena bhatte yachanti. Good. Now understand everybody? Okay? No need to continue other thing, no? Now you understand, no? Okay. Now we are going to new lesson. Please now everybody can pronounce all letters. Can? Okay, try one more time. Okay, but this these two quite same. I cannot listen the different sound. Correct? My meaning? Okay, one more time. This one. Ta, dh, da, dh, n. Your tongue, you have to roll and touch up of the mountain, mouth, up of the mouth. Okay? You have to touch. Roll, touch. Ta, dh, da, dh, n. Okay? Understand? Roll and touch. Again, roll, touch. Ta, dh, da, dh, n. This one, other one, you have your tongue, you have to touch only the teeth. Ta, dh, da, dh, n. Very easy, this one. Only the muttaj. Muttaj, okay? Try. One more time. Okay. According to the Mahamangala Suttam, Khanticha Sova Chassata. Khanticha Sova Chassata. Samananancha Dassanang. Samananancha Dassanang. Kalena Dhamma Sakaccha. Dhamma Sakaccha. Dhamma Sakaccha. Etang Mangala Muttamang. Again. Whole Pali stanza. Tapocha Brahmachariyancha. Tapocha Brahmachariyancha. Ariya Satchana Dassanang. Ariya Satchana Dassanang. Nibbana Sacchi kiriyacha Nibbana Sacchi kiriyacha Etang Mangala Muttamang. Again. Ariya Satchana Okay. This one we have to open. Such. Sa. Such. Okay. Okay. Now you can see your memorize. Okay. Nara. Okay. Now please please tell me what is this Patama singular, what is the Patama plural, what is the Dutiya singular and Dutiya plural, what is the Tatiya Karana singular, what is the Tatiya Karana plural. Okay. Naru. Can I ask one by one? Okay. One more time. You can understand, no? Bhupalo narang passati, meaning passati, sees the man. A man also can. Ablative of agent. Bhupalo narena gamang gacchati, meaning the king goes to the village with the man. What is the meaning about instrumental? Bhupalo sarena sakunang vijjati. Bhupalo, the king, shoots the bird with the arrow. Okay. Now today I am going to explain about Chatuthi. Chatuthi case. Chatuthi meaning dative. Dative. Dative case. 204. Dative case. Chatuthi. Now the Chatuthi meaning receiver. Receiver. Something we can receive of from someone. No? We can receive something from others. This receiver meaning Chatuthi. Receiver. Okay. Now the example. I offer the rice to Bhante. I offer rice to Bhante. Or example, the man offer the book to the boy. The man offer the book to the boy. At that time, who is the receiver? The boy. The receiver is the boy. This is a Chatutti. Okay? Understand? This Chatutti also we can divide two ways, singular and plural. In the singular side, two words, two suffix, and the plural side only one suffix. One of Nara Aya. Aya meaning suffix. Okay? This is a nature sound of Nara. Naro, Nara. We have to join. This one have to delete, become Nara Ya. This is one of the singular. Next one, Nara plus Assa. This is a one of the suffix. We have to delete, become Naras. Understand? Nara Aya, Naraya. Nara Assa, Naras. Meaning to the man or for the man. Nara is the nature sound. Because after we go into the subject object, then become Naro, Nara, Nara, Nare. This is the nature, the root of the sound, Nara. Nara. At that moment, we cannot use a Naro here. Nara, Nara. Always because end of the Akaranta. Akaranta nouns. Because end of the we call Akaranta nouns. Nara. We always follow like this, no? Okay. Yeah, stem. Yeah, stem. Yes, stem. Okay. Plural. Nara Ana. Ana meaning suffix. Ana. Nara Ana. This is a plural. Dative plural. Delete, become Nara, Narana. Okay. Same way can practice Manussa. singular manussaya manussassa plural manussanam again naraya narassa plural naranam example manussa manussaya manussassa manussanam kumara kumaraya kumarassa kumaranam bhopala bhopalaya bhopalassa bhopalanam veg good okay how about Pali language? What's your opinion about Pali language? Good or bad? Easy or not easy? Not easy? I thought maybe easy. Okay, practice. Nara plus aya naraya. Nara plus assa narassa. Nara plus anang naranang. Naraya narassa naranang. Okay, next one. Okay? Okay, try to practice. Tapaso what is the meaning? Tapaso tapasa tapasang tapase What's the meaning tapase? My meaning, what is the English meaning tapase? Tapasena. Tapasebhi. Tapasehi. Tapasaya. Tapasassa. Tapasanang. Okay, next one. Okay, write down if you need, write down. Every free time you have to practice, you have to memorize. Otherwise cannot go in, cannot bring our class. Every day I can see, slowly become reduced all our group, our disciple. Okay. You know the one way, very easy to write down, very easy to memorize. No, we know the way, very easy to write down and very easy to memorize. Okay, I can go next one. Very easy to memorize. O A ang A O A ang A N A B A Aya Asa Anang, like this. A Amha Asma A B A A Asa Anang A Emmi Esmi Esu. Only you can try to memorize the all suffix. O A ang A N A B A Aya Asa Anang A Amha Asma A B A Asa Anang A Emhi Esmi Esu. A. This all. Now we are going on all the suffix. Very easy to apply to after. When we was the Samanera, at that time we practice Siyo Angyo Nahi Sanang Ismahi Sanang Isminsu. All the sentence for the feminine, for the masculine, for the neutral. But we have to change Siyo Angyo Nahi Sanang Ismahi Sanang Isminsu. Only few sentences, one sutta. After that, according to the masculine, the end of the A sound, we have to change. According to the E, Akaranta E, we have to change. Ikaranta, end of the E, we have to change. End of the E, lone E, some nouns we have to change. But you can practice O A ang A N A B A Aya As Anang A Amha Asma A B A As Anang A Amhi Asmi Esu. A. Very easy, no? Then can apply. How to learn? Can. Now we practice only the four, no? Then O A ang A N A B A Aya Asa Ana. Aya Asa Ana. I half finished here. Half finished. Okay? Next one. Try to practice Vejjo. Okay, if you need, write down. Vejjo, vejja, vejjang, vejje, vejjena, vejje, vejjehi, vejjaya, vejjassa, vejjana. O A ang A N A B A Aya Asana. one of the book have the Nama Padamala. All are nouns, they include to the one book, all collect. We have to only practice. But Sinhalese book, not the English, Roman Pali. If you need, I can say, can type. The example, the Naro, Nara, Naran, Nare, Narena, Narebi, Narehi, Naraya, Narasa, Narana, Nara, Naramma, Narasma, Narebi, Narehi, Narasa, Narana, Nara, Naramma, Narasma, Naresu, Nare, Narami, Narasmi, Naresu, He, Nara, Nara, Nara. The similar sound they make, then our Kachayana book means Evang Sura Sura Naro Ranganaga Yakha Gandhabba Kinnara Manus Pisacha Peta. Like this, they had the Pali stanza. All collect the nouns. Then we have to memorize. Do you need? Next time can type slowly, can update to the website. Important for others also, no? Okay. Already, no? Next one. Labho. Write down. Okay. No. Okay. No. Okay. Last time I told to you try to memorize all the verbs. Do you remember? Some. Okay. Okay, please recite. Rodati, rodanti. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to build sentence. Okay. Daso naraya patang aharati. O daso narassa patang aharati. Daso patama ek vachana. Naraya චතුත්ථි ඒක වචන. පත්තං දුතියා ඒක වචන. ආහරති කිරියා ඒක වචන. දාසෝ meaning the slave. Naraya for the man. Patang okay. No, no, okay. Patang have meaning plate also can say patang because in the commentary they mention the patang meaning ball, plate, everything we can say patang. But anyway, you have tried. It's better ball. But the plate also can now. Aharati bring. Okay. Proper sentence. What is the proper sentence? Oh. Now understand for the man. For the man meaning chatutti dative. Okay. Okay, write down. Okay, next example. Oh, write down first. Can. Adverb. For the man, for. Brings for. Hmm. For. Oh, oh. Not the mic problem. Okay. Next one. Dasa naranang patte aharanti. Dasa patama bahuvachana. Naranang huh? Naranang Chatuthi bahuvachana. Correct? How you know Chatuthi? Anang. Patte. Aharanti. How to translate? Dasa. Naranang. Patte. Aharanti. Okay. Please read the correct sentence. Hmm. Okay. Finish. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next one. Pandito yachakaya bhattang dadati. Pandito. Patama ekavachana. Yachakaya bhattang dadati. Okay. The wise man gives the rice to the beggar. Understand? Okay. Can I ask one question regarding this sentence? Okay. The wise man gives the rice to the beggar with his son. With his son. How to make Pali sentence? The wise man gives the rice to the beggar with his son. Singular. With his son. Okay, how to build Pali sentence? Yeah, it's good. Son meaning putta. Pandito puttena yachakaya bhattang dadati. Now, whole cases include the one sentence. No? Pandito puttena yachakaya bhattang dadati. Understand? Whole cases, vibhakti, include the one sentence. Okay, next one. Plural. Pandita yachakanang bhattang dadanti. Pandita. Yachakanang. Bhattang dadanti. Kriya bahuvachana. Okay. meaning sorry yeah द्वितीय एकवचन yes sorry okay okay finish බත්තං द्वितीय एकवचन බත්තං mean okay next one ලුද්දකෝ වානිජානං සීහං ආකඩ්ඩති ලුද්දකෝ පඨම ඒක වචන වානිජානං වානිජානං बहुवचन सीहं आखड्डति okay now you can see the meaning the hunter drags a lion to the merchant okay next one කුමාරා සුනඛාය ආහාරං දදන්ති. කුමාරා සුනඛාය ආහාරං දදන්ති. Meaning, the boys give food to the dog. Okay. Next. Brahmano Matulanang Odanang Pacheti. Brahmano Matulanang Odanang Pacheti. Meaning, cook for his uncle. एकवचन चतुर्थी मातुलानं चतुर्थी बहुवचन मातुलानं ब्राह्मणो प्रथमा एकवचन ओदनं द्वितीया एकवचन पचति क्रिया एकवचन आनं Okay, we try next one also. Kassaka tapasaya rukke chindanti. Kassaka patama bahuvachan. Tapasaya rukke chindanti. The farmers cut the trees for the hermit. Pali.
Can it be Patama, then Chatuti, then Tatiya?
No, you according to the usually the Patama, Tatiya, Chatuti, Dutiya, Kiriya. Usually, I cannot say always. Because sometimes we go to the long sentence at the time different. Equal a short sentence we can understand like this. We can build. Yeah, that's why we have before read the sutta we have to practice how to divide the whole sentence. Okay. I think now finish. One more. Okay. याचका कुद्दालेहि समनानं आवाटे खनन्ति. याचका पटमा बहुवचन. कुद्दालेहि ततिया Tatiya? Okay, okay. Yeah. Samananang. Bahuvachana. Avate. Khananti. Okay, you see the meaning, then you can understand. Oh. Karana. Karana. Kuddale karana. Kuddale means karana. The beggars dig pits for the recluses with holes. Next one. लेखको सरेहि वेज्जाय सकुणे विज्जति. Okay, see the meaning, then you can understand. Lekako, the clock. Sarehi, with arrows. Vejjaya, for the doctor. Sakune, the birds. Vijjati, should. Sarehi meaning arrow. With the arrow means karana. Karana bahuvachana. Okay, whole sentence. The clerk shoots the birds for the doctor with arrows. With his arrows also can. Okay, after this thing, 9 time 9 o'clock now. Today we cannot go over 9. So the homework for lesson 7, try to practice by yourself. Okay, the one more example translation sentence I have here, you can download from the website. And one thing, the new cab list have in the website can download on the Tuesday. And if you have the time, can practice. Try to memorize. Okay. Okay, sharing merits. Idam me punyang asavakkayavahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. Te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu.